Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, about a week ago, Gabe came into my office and he goes, dude, we should dip a car using Squid Ink. And I was like, bro, what are you even talking about? That is the most ridiculous idea I've ever heard. What are you doing? Come on. So obviously we're gonna do it. Enjoy the video. So obviously the question is, how the heck are we going to spray or paint a car using Squid Ink? Now, Squid Ink obviously is what the squid squirts out into the ocean when it feels threatened so that it can escape. Now let me show you what I found. This right here is black squid ink powder. It's 100% natural squid ink powder. It's used in the food industry. It says here that squid ink turns food and other materials into a deep, rich black and gives it a pleasant, salty flavor. This is a 50-gram bag. We got a ton of these because we had no idea what the coverage or concentration was going to be if it works at all. So let's take a peek at what we got here. Oh, wow. So, wow, it smells awful. Oh my God. And it is a deep, deep dark black. It looks, you know what this looks like, even though it won't do the same thing, obviously? Musso black. Oh my God. It looks very dark and very rich and supposedly gives it a salty, pleasant flavor. Okay, so here's the plan. If it works, we're going to be putting the black squid ink powder into glossy dip pearl top coat, and that theoretically should give us a rich black base. So we've got avalanche gray on the car right now. It's already down. We're going to be putting the black squid ink into glossy top coat, and if that mixture mixes well, I apologize. Did not expect the flavor there. We're going to be putting that over avalanche gray, but we don't want to stop there. If we do get a rich black base, we're going to want to put a pearl on top to tie this whole thing together. So, to sum everything up, avalanche gray base, rich black squid ink on top, and then we'll find a pearl to go on top of that. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we are done with the Squid Ink base, and it smells like a bait shop in this paint booth right now, but we're pushing through. Now, when we started mixing the Squid Ink and the top coat, we realized right away we were gonna need a ton of that powder to make this work. So we're running with a 300 gram per gallon load, and we're actually getting pretty decent coverage. Now, what I tried to show you at the end of one of those spraying shots there is we are definitely getting some grit. The Squid Ink mixed well and we're getting color, but it didn't completely dissolve. Now the good news is the grit is very small scale, and I think we're gonna be able to have no problem covering that once we start laying the pearl. Now the pearl going on top of the Squid Ink, one of the pearls that's hit a home run for us every time we've used it, Cosmic Crush Color Shift. But here's the trick. We're only gonna use 5 grams per gallon of the Cosmic Crush, and only gonna spray 2 coats of the pearl because I don't wanna completely suffocate and cover the Squid Ink base. I want the Squid Ink to play a role in the end result here. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Let's keep going. All right, guys, we are all done with our Squid Ink project car. Now, when we started this, I had no idea if it was gonna work at all, but I wanted to give it a try. The way that it turned out is very surprising. So we're gonna go right outside so you guys can see the end result. If you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of car kits and colors to choose from, and none of them smell like fish or squid, which is a massive benefit. Now, should you replicate this project and spray your car with Squid Ink? No, it's a terrible idea. However, when we go outside, I want you to like the video if you like the way the car came out, and leave a comment for me because I love reading all your guys' feedback. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. It's Fonzie. I will see you guys on the next video.
Don't replicate this. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you like the way it came out, like the video, and please comment below. I'd love to hear your guys' feedback. It's Fonzie. This was a really bad tasting job and I hated it.